Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to remove your card from your PrizePicks account. Now if you don't know how to remove the card from your PrizePicks account, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. But before that, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the videos. To get started, make sure that you have installed the PrizePicks app on a device. So if you have not installed, you need to go on App Store or Play Store on a device and you need to simply install the app from there. So after installing the app, you need to simply open PrizePicks on a device and you need to simply click on the option of email and you need to type your email here and you need to simply type the password and click on the option of sign in. So after signing in, you need to click on the deposit button at the very top right of the corner and it will take you to the deposit page. So after going on the deposit page, here you will see the option like add funds, payment method, and under that you will see the various option like credit card, credit debit card, instant bank transfer, PayPal, Apple Pay and all. Now after that you need to click on the trash icon next to the payment method you want to remove. So you may click on the option of credit or debit card and you may click on the trash icon next to the card which you have included or kept on PrizePicks account. So after doing that, you'll easily remove your card from your PrizePicks account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. That's how you can remove the card from PrizePicks. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.